Akiaria hindi ya mathomo maya tauni-ini ya Nanyuki kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, abitha murugamiriri munene wa ngwataniro ya aria mari na mishinga ngao Toni Munene augite matacukitie makinya ma itemi-ini ria kuhukia ciiko cia maabitha a borithi gutharikira muingi makiria riri marathingatithia watho wa curfew.
So far, we're sensitizing them in order to try and prevent the spread of COVID-19 from this pandemic.
Munene oho augite gukinyaniria riu borithi aria maamukirite mathomo maya ni kuuma kaunti kenda guku bururi na mari na itanya ria guthomithia borithi kuuma kaunti ciothe 47.
We have trained over 1,600 officers, including today that would come to about 1,700 officers trained in the counties of Makiria, Mombasa, Kiambu, Kwale, Siaya, Maranga, and we are still continuing. We want to try and do all 47 counties since we have over 2,000 members.
Mwena-ini wake muikariri giti wa ngao Anthony wa homa ugite mathomo maya mambiririe mweri-ini wa kana na guteterithia bara ni ya kuhurana na murimu ugwati wa coronavirus no ti muingi.
A police officer must remain on duty even during COVID-19 times. So they're out there every day. And we thought this epidemic will not be fought by guns and bullets, but by information.
Ona thengia wa kwamukira mathomo maabitha aya ni maamukirire indo cia kuhuhira dawa ngari-ini ciao irembeko cia maniũrũ na kanua o hamwe na sanitizers niguo kwigita murimu wa COVID-19. Handũ-ini Kameme TV ritũrekwa ni Wambui wa Maina.